We have VirtualBox open in our Windows 11 PC, and we're going to be taking a look for an update by going over here into the File menu and then check for updates. And we'll see that the newest version, 7.2.6, is now available. It's available at virtualbox.com. This link brings us over to the website, so you can go ahead and check out the documentation for it. But there's also a link right over here that allows you to download it directly. So if you click on it, it'll go ahead and download it into your computer. Now for us to update it, we just have to click on the download, and we'll minimize this window. If you get a prompt, just say yes to the prompt. We're going to minimize this. It's going to prepare to install. It's a good idea to completely exit VirtualBox Manager by going to the File menu and then quit. And now we'll go ahead with the installation of the newest version. We'll click on Next, and we'll accept the terms of the license agreement and then click on Next. I can leave all the default settings. If you want to change the installation path, you can go ahead and do that by clicking on the Change button, or you can head over to the next step. Your network might disconnect during this update, and it'll also look for missing dependencies. We'll click on Yes, and you have the option to have shortcuts created. If you just want to leave everything default, that's fine. Just click on Next, and we'll go ahead and install it. This installation will just take a minute or so. All right, and the installation is now complete. You can go ahead and select this option over here to automatically launch it. You'll see that we have a second shortcut right now on the desktop. We can delete the original one if we want. It has already removed the files related to it. So we have a new shortcut on the desktop. We'll click on Finish, and it's going to launch your VirtualBox. Okay, and there we go. We have the newest version that's opened right now. We're in dark mode. If we go over here to the Help menu and go to About VirtualBox, you can see that we have the latest version 7.2.6 installed in our Windows 11 PC. And if you're looking to install any operating systems inside VirtualBox, you can check out all the different videos I have on the channel for installing a variety of different operating systems inside VirtualBox. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and smash that like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.